Okay, so we're going to film a little bit more in this little area. This is this little area between Venetian, Parisian, and Londoner. So it's the Four Seasons. So a lot of times I just kind of go through up here and I basically try to get from one casino to another. But today I'm going to explore and I'm going to go down, just kind of see what else is in this whole thing. So stay tuned. Okay, so that's the one that I always take. I usually always take that, and that's kind of the walkway between Londoner, Venetian, things like that. And we're just gonna kind of wander around. Here you can see all these beauty places, Dior, Armani, I think that's called, down there. Got some music that might affect my video, so I'm gonna try to speak loud, try to cover up that a little bit. Yeah, Giorgio Armani. So I think we won't go down there. If we do, looks like there's also the Galleria, it goes all the way down in the basement part, which is basically just more shopping. So this in particular is mostly perfumes and things like that. It looks like there's going to be more down there too. Chanel, stuff like that. So let's go up. And let's just kind of see where we are now. So that's Londoner and Parisian. This one says Four Seasons down below. So I guess that one's down below this way. So we'll angle towards the Four Seasons. That's the one I was just at. So we'll just see. I had a viewer that has been watching the channel for a long time, and he's kind of curious about down below in the Four Seasons area. So we're gonna see if we can find a way to get down there. Let's see if we can find one. So we're going to be going down there. So we'll see if we can find a another way downstairs. I think we're going to see one down that way, over that way. We'll walk kind of fast, and there's also kind of a lobby area right here that I haven't filmed before because I never come over in this area. Okay, so that's kind of like a nice lobby area. So we're gonna go down this way. It looks like we can go down this way, so you'll get a feel for more stuff. So let's go down. Yeah, I think one of the viewers, he was saying that in this Four Seasons, almost nobody comes down here. They almost never come and film in here. I might not even be allowed because it looks like it's all for shopping. But there is something that says Four Seasons, and I'm gonna go towards that. But you can see this is all shopping like that. And let's walk towards Four Seasons Hotel. Okay, so yeah, this looks like it's all the grand suites at Four Seasons. So this is the boutiques. There's a boutique here. My apologies for walking a little bit fast, but I haven't been in here before, so I'm kind of seeing what's all in here. The Canchao in Portuguese. It's like kind of a food court area. Okay, let's see what else we see in here. Yeah, I don't know what to expect, so it looks like here's kind of a hotel lobby area for the Four Seasons. Let's see here. We're gonna keep on going down. Hello. So this one is the restaurant that they are recommending. Shouting. Looks nice. Hello. Let's just keep on going. So yeah, this is the Four Seasons. Oh, okay. This might be what people are talking about then. So you got this whole space and you got that space too. You can go up this way. All that right there, okay. Does look nice. Chandelier. of the sea. So this is basically where we're at right now. Four Seasons, Apex at Grand Suites, Balan Cachao, and then also that restaurant back there. So it's like this is kind of a lounge for the piano. This one we can go outside. I think we'll do that in a moment. Okay, let's just kind of go and see what else is in here. Okay, Plaza Casino. So, hello. You gotta be friendly to everybody, right? Because you don't know who's gonna kick you out if you have a camera. But I think it's good promotion to show some of this anyway, so I don't think they're gonna kick me out because I think they're usually quite accommodating. That's a casino, so we can't go into that casino part. But this one is the Plaza Casino. And then this is basically where we're at right here, Four Seasons Hotel. And that's the, so we'll go, I think we're gonna go outside. So this will kind of give you a different context. So I guess I'll call this one the Four Seasons and the lobby, I guess. And we're gonna step out into the outside part, which has these beautiful statues. Actually, there's a lot of wine right there. That's all wine, fine dining. Okay. So I think that this is the one that they, so we're gonna head up this way. We'll see what we can, oh, this is the Four Seasons, and but we'll just walk out here anyways. The worst that can happen is I can be, okay. So I think we're gonna head back in.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna go back in.
Yes.
Thank you.
Please.
So we're gonna head back in. So that's where the lobby is at. Some nice artwork right there. Hello. Okay, so we're gonna come back out this way. Let's just see where we can go to here. I think this is Qingdao, so I guess we came this way. Okay, good. So now we're kind of in this center area. And I think once we get up to up this area, I think we can go outside and I can show you another little part. Victoria Coffee. My apologies for walking a little bit fast. Partially because I don't know exactly what I'm going to see, and I want to give you an idea. But anyways, I'll probably label this one the Four Seasons, and if I do, you can see how it's connected to these shops at Four Seasons. So we got Four Seasons Hotel lobby, and we have the shops. So we'll see if we can, let's see, that's Parisian and Londoners down that way, down this way. So we're gonna walk, we're gonna see if we can walk all the way through. Usually they won't let me use a camera in this area, so we'll kind of walk to the periphery side, peripheral, walk on the periphery. It's funny, I haven't been in here in a long time. Nice bike. So we're gonna keep on walking all the way through with this loud music. The music might affect the video, so we'll try to talk over it as much as we can. And we're gonna walk all the way down to the end here. The music is pretty loud, so that means I gotta talk louder than the music. And if we have any problem, I might have to cover up some of the music or do something with the production part. Okay, so now we're into the shops of the Four Seasons, and now we're kind of in the middle. So you got to see the Four Seasons lobby and some of the stuff down there, and then you also get to see some of this here. I guess I never come down to the ground floor either, so I think usually I go up above. When I go above, then I can get into the Londoner. I just walk across from Londoner to Venetian to Parisian through the shops up that way. So down here, they're a little bit. Okay, so that goes back out to the parking lot of that one. This one, let's see. This one can go back up there, and then we can go over to the Londoner as well. So we're going to stroll through this whole area. So we got Four Seasons lobby and Four Seasons ground floor for shops. We're already at 10 minutes, but I think people that want to see it, it's good. Okay, so usually I go out that way, but today we're going to go out this way, and then I can view some of the shops from here. Look. Let's see. Okay, so there we go. So now we're outside. Now you can see the Londoner there. You can see the shops at Four Seasons here. Then you can also see some of these fountains like this, right? And I think the other fountains are covered. I think they're doing all kinds of construction here. So usually you'd be able to see inside, and you could see these giant statues that would be here and here. Yeah, they're all covered now. Yeah, they're all covered. So now we're on the Cotai strip. We're basically in the Four Seasons and the hotel part, which was over that part, the lobby. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go up here, and we're gonna try to look in. There's a Londoner over there. Okay. So we're gonna go in. Is this no camera? Oh, okay. Okay, so we're basically at the top, and that's basically all the construction down there. So let's just kind of take a look real quick. So now that we're up at the top, so yeah, this is all the Cotai strip. So we got Londoner there, we got Parisian, City to City there, we have the all of this right here. So they're doing all the construction, all the renovation here on the Cotai strip. Four Seasons. That's this skywalk right here goes from Venetian all the way down that way. So let's go on in, and we'll show you some of the other. So this is also part of the Four Seasons. That's Venetian right there. So yeah, this is one casino, 4 shops. It goes all the way down like that, and we go into Londoner. So we were just basically at the bottom, so we'll end it right there. Chiquinha, chiquinha.